In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to number pages here in Canva. Now, unfortunately, Canva doesn't have a feature quite yet where we can just number pages at the click of a button. So we have to do things manually. Now, the easiest way to do this is just by taking some text. Let's take this and copy and paste, and let's move that down to here. Now, what we're going to do is just put a number in this text. So we're going to do 1 here. Then what we're going to do is copy and paste this and move this over to this side just here. Now, most of the time, let's make sure this just lined up first, just like that. Now, most of the time, if you have numbers on a page, then they're going to alternate. So we're going to need 1 on this side and 1 on this side. Now, from here, what we can do is copy this or highlight both text boxes, copy, come over to page 2, and then just duplicate and paste that onto there. Then we can go through the whole pages doing this. Then what we want to do is just go through and number the pages. So this is going to be page number 1, so we're going to keep it just there and delete the extra box. Now if we go on to page 2, this side is going to be page number 2, like so, and then we're going to delete this box. So it's a little bit time consuming doing this, but this is what you have to do if you want to number pages on a project that you've already created. Now if you're starting from scratch like this, what we can do is the same thing. So let's click paste and put that onto the page, and then we can just keep these in each corner as we're creating our design. Now let's just make sure that's lined up as well, just like that. Then what we can do is duplicate this page. So let's just change the view for a second so it's like this. We have numbers here. What we can do is just duplicate this page, and then we can go through and change the numbers that we need. So this is going to be page number 1, we're going to keep that. This is going to be page number 2, so we're going to delete that one and change this number just like so. So unfortunately, there's not a very great way to actually number pages, but this is the easiest way to do it. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.